it's too late, I don't wanna hear you say you're sorry. Even if your word doesn't change the way it hurts, you lost me. You're way too good at talking. Just hammer up the coffin. We're dead and you caused it. Wish you could feel the pain that I felt when you threw us away.